Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another reaction. And today we're gonna check out Mortal Kombat 11 Rambo, Rain, and Mileena Friendship. Mortal Kombat 11 Rambo Friendship. So this should be really good. I can't wait to see what their friendships are like. So without further ado, let's check it out. Alright, see what you got, Rambo. Oh shit.
Wins.
Oh, that's it. That's a good one. That's a good one. Cool. Okay. Alright. Next up we got Rain. Oh, that's it. Alright.
Wins. Flawless victory.
Oh man, that's hilarious. Alright, last but not least, Mileena. Oh my god.
Wins.
Having a tea party with her bears. Oh. Not gonna lie, that's pretty cute. Alright. Hey, those are pretty good friendships. I think my favorite one was, I'm probably gonna say Rambo's. I don't know why, just cause laser tag. I don't know. Oh, excuse me, guys. It was just, I don't know. It's pretty funny. But hey, all three of them were really good. I like these. Yeah. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this reaction, guys. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And it's been your boy Harmon, and I am out. Peace.